What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to disassemble the 4G63 from the Talon and make sure the block and the crank are good. Everything else is getting replaced, so I don't really care if the rods are bad or pistons, we obviously know they're bad. What else? So it's been a few weeks since I've worked on the car because I really haven't had any parts or anything like that. Well, the parts are starting to roll in, so now I'm gonna get back at it. But since then, I called out one of my buddies from Ohio. He comes down for Texas 2K and he stays with me for the week of 2K. Well, he's building a turbo LS Fox. We have a steak dinner on this as a bet, you know, because we're good friends and we don't do money, we don't do that kind of stuff. But we're putting thousands of dollars into our cars for a steak dinner. Yeah, car guys, right? But anyway, so I got a steak dinner on the line. I got to make this thing fast. So let me show you some of the parts that I've acquired so far. We have a set of Carrillo H-Beam Pro rods. Those should do alright. I scored a set of Crower custom ground cams from one of the guys on Facebook. He had a 4G63 Mustang. I got this FP manifold, exhaust manifold, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I got it because it was on sale. I'm not sure if I'm using that or if I'm going T4. Probably gotta go T4. Got a set of Super Tech valve springs with titanium retainers. There they are. The problem with these are they're only single, so I'm not going to be able to rev to the moon. So we got to make some power down low. And my cams, he sent me a set of cam gears along with it. Don't worry about this too much. Actually, let's talk about it real quick. This is my buddy's Grand Sport C6 with the A&A blower on it. I put a 416 in this motor, in this car, and it ran pretty good, but something happened. And this has some miles on it. Not a whole bunch, but enough to where I don't know how that could have happened. It dropped a valve. So I haven't taken it apart yet. He's gonna sell it. I'm just gonna pull the engine on it. I feel bad for him, but this is the car game. You never know what's gonna happen. So check this table out. I bought this table at Home Depot, and it's adjustable height. How crazy is that? It was like 130 bucks or something like that. They had one with drawers, but yeah, if you guys want a cool table, that is a cool table. And I went and bought a little vise for it. You know, never know when you need that. So, but anyway. So yeah, okay, let's get back. Let me set you guys down and I'll get started on this. Alright, let's get this on the engine stand. Alright, got the bolts out of the flywheel. Not as hard as I thought it was going to be. It's so rusty. Came right out. Alright. show you guys this later. Now a sore subject. Guys, it's been years since I've messed with the DSM. It used to be my bread and butter. I used to buy them with bad timing belts and take the heads off, rebuild them, put them back together. I'd buy them for $500, fix it, sell it for $2,000, $3,000. Shoot, I could do that now and probably make $6,000, $7,000 for what some of these guys are charging for a clean DSM. Which is good, I guess. It's good that they're known. People still want them. I love them. My buddies are like, you're crazy. But my first DSM was a 92 laser, all-wheel drive 5-speed laser. I worked at Mitsubishi, came in, the guy thought it needed a transmission, had 80,000 miles on it, super clean. He traded it for a Galan or something. I went and asked them about it. They're like, oh, we got 500 in it. You can have it if you want it. Needs a transmission. I went out there. It needed a clutch. I paid $500 for it. I'll see if I find a picture. But yeah, that was my first DSM. I loved it. I gotta take all the accessories off, check, see if it has oil in it, drain it, oil pan, everything off the block. Because I'm going to take it to work. I work at a transmission shop and we have a, oh, look at this. What the heck? Let me show you guys. What in the heck did they put screws in there for? Huh. Oh, it goes all the way through. Oh. There's another one. So what happens with these is the rubber deteriorates and these things just come flying off. So these people, I'm not gonna call them any names, but their ingenuity, they screwed this piece to this piece. That is something. But, all right. Well, let me see what I want to do next. Okay, so I had an outro ready for the end of the video, but I'm putting it together and it's becoming a very long video. So I think I'm just going to do this disassemble in 2 parts. So this is the first half of it, and then maybe this week I can like Wednesday or something, I'll upload the other half. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.